Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get Hungry Jack promo code. So you have to just go to Google and you can just follow the same step over your phone. So you have to just type here Hungry Jack's promo codes and you will get a lot of this website here. By the way, they officially provide you some of the vouchers on their official website. So first of all, let's talk about this. You will get around these two rewards here, but majority of time it's not promo codes. If you're especially looking for the promo codes, here this is Frugal Feeds. This is one of the website here. Let it just load, and here you will get some of the codes, right? So for example, this is a deal, and you can just read here. If I just click on it, and here show us the promo code, which I don't think you will get it here, and this is just an offer, right? This is not any promo code here, so you can just go to Hungry Jack and you will get this kind of offer if you just go through it. But here some of the different website, and this is one of them. Let's check this out, and this will get you some of the codes here, promo codes especially. So for example, if you want to save, click here to add all the latest Hungry Jack discounts, codes and vouchers. So for example, if you want to get this deal of around $5 deal, then just click on it. Now here you will get this only if you just go through this website link. So you can just go and click on this. Now you will be into vouchers, Hungry Jack here, and make sure you have to use this website to get this offer. You cannot directly apply them, right? So that's a thing, and this are some of the things. And here let's just visit one more website here, and here it will give you the same thing, but it's the same thing. You have to just go from this website because it's some kind of affiliates or something that they have collab with Hungry Jacks here. So for example, if I just go and click 25%, so here you have to copy this code and try to work with them. As you can see here, I told you it's affiliate link, so it's completely up to you. You can use these codes, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.